Who is it? Oh, can Abby smell her? Are you going to share her with Abby?
No, don't do it. No, you do it. No, you do it.
I'm filming. Oh, wait, do I hold it down?
No.
Okay. She wants to put her in the swing.
And push her.
Oh,
Abby, do
no,
you smell
wait.
your
No, look
baby?
what she has for the baby.
Oh, that's
Oh,
baby.
no. What do you have for the baby?
Will you die for it? No, we'll do that one.
You gonna give her your dog?
Can I give her a doggy?
Should we open her up for you? I love her.
I'm getting it all in.
Take her blankie off of her. Hi. What's that, Abby?
I don't know if I'm doing this right.
Yeah, you're fine. You giving her your goggy? Oh.
No.
No.
No. Okay.
Can you give her a kiss so we can take her out of her car seat?
No.
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 Give her a good one. She's
Give her a kissy.
there you go. Okay, bye-bye.